Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable anti-theft alarm and how to turn it off in Realme Pro phone using quick settings. So how to access quick settings. On the main screen we need to swipe from the top edge down again, and here we have our quick settings shortcuts. So we are looking for anti-theft alarm. Here it is, anti-theft alarm. We can tap it once and we will be transported to this screen, so we can enable it, and we can also change some options here as well. The same way, if we want to turn it off, we need to do the same options and tap anti-theft alarm once again, enter our password and disable this option. And that's all. Goodbye.